Okay. So, good morning, students. So, welcome back to our online class. This is, it is your science class. I have written there subject science, class 3. Okay. Actually, you know that we have already completed our syllabus of term 2, no? That we have completed last day. We have completed chapter number 12. All the question answers have been completed from the chapter. So today we will be doing a revision work. Yes, revision work. Okay. So before starting the revision work, I will tell you the syllabus of term 2. Okay. I'll write here. You can write down in your science notebook, means your science copy. Term 2 syllabus. Chapters are chapter number 6, chapter number 8, chapter number 10, chapter number 11 and chapter number 12. Okay, these are the chapters from term 2. Okay. Yes, Sankalan is there. Okay. Now we will start our revision work. You know that in the exam all questions will be of MCQ type. So we will practice all MCQs, means multiple choice question. Yes. We will practice from each of the chapter, and I will request everyone to go through the chapter well, line by line. You will go read, and also you will be doing the inside of the chapter MCQs are there. You will do that one, because MCQs can also be from inside of the chapter also. Okay, so I will be starting from the first chapter, that is chapter number 6, parts of a plant. Okay. Okay, you will, all of you will get the notice of your exam schedule. Okay, you will get the notice of exam date when the exam will start. Okay, so I will request everyone to do your revision work in your science copy, means science notebook. Okay, all will do there. Okay, this is, suppose A I am written, choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Okay. Number 1, what hold the plant firmly, what hold the plant firmly in the soil? Okay, your options are leaves, number B, roots, number C, stems, and number D, buds. Okay, the correct answer is what hold the plant firmly in soil? It is roots. Actually, root is holding the plant firmly in the soil. Okay. Now next one. Spinach stores food in. Spinach stores food in Your options are stems, number B, leaves, number C, roots, and number D, buds. So spinach stores food in leaves. Correct option is leaves. Yes, very good. All of you are giving the correct answer. Very good. Yes, I can see from here. Okay, now next MCQ. Dash are formed. Dash are formed from. Dash are formed from flowers. Okay, your options are leaves, number B option. B option is stems. Okay, number C option is roots, and number D option is fruits. Okay, so dash are formed from flowers. Number A option leaves, number B is stems, number C option is roots, number D is fruits. So it is fruits. Fruit is the correct option. Now number 4. A plant which requires support, is a plant which requires support is. Okay, options are rose, number B neem, number C money plant, number D none of these or none. So a plant which requires support is money plant. Okay, now next option, climbers have dash stem. Climbers have dash stem. Okay, let me write the options. It is, first option is thick, second option is weak. Weak spelling, look at the spelling of weak. It is W-E-A-K. W-E-A-K. It is not W-E-E-K. Okay, number C option hard, and D option strong. Okay, so climbers have weak stem WEAK. Okay. Okay. Next one, I will rub the board now, not all. I will rub 1 and 2. I think all of you have completed 1 and 2. Okay, I am rubbing 1 and 2. Okay. See here. Number 6 now. Okay. Dash gives shape to dash gives shape to our body. Dash gives shape to our body. Your options are cell, number B, tissue, number C, organ, and number D, skeleton. So dash gives shape to our body. Which one? It is skeleton. Yes, very good. All of you are giving the correct answer. Okay. Yes, skeleton spelling skeleton. Note down the spelling correctly. Number 7. Digestion completes. Digestion completes in the where? Your options are food pipe, okay, number B option, number B option, small intestine, number C option, stomach, and number D option, none of these or none. So digestion completes in the small intestine. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now I will rub number 3 now. Okay. Next one. Number 8. Our heart is located dash of the chest. Our heart is located dash of the chest. Okay. Your options are on the right side, number B. On the left side, on the right side, on the left side, number C, in the middle, okay, better to write here, number C option, in the middle, and D, none of these or none. Okay, so let me read it out. Our heart is located dash of the chest. So correct option and your options are on the right side, on the left side, in the middle, and none. Okay, so correct answer is our heart is located on the left side, this number B. Okay, this is your correct answer. Okay, this way you will learn your MCQs. You will do the MCQs from each of the chapter. Okay, we will do more in the next class. Today we will do up to this much, means up to 8 we have done. Okay, so all of you will practice this type of MCQs. Your question pattern will be of MCQ type. Okay, and I will expect everyone to read the chapter well. Okay, everybody will read your chapter well, because from inside of the chapter MCQs also will be there. So you will have to read each of the chapter line by line, as I have done in the class. I have explained. I have first read it out the chapter, then I have explained you. You will do this one, and you have got also the syllabus. Okay, I think you will get good marks. So thank you everyone for the class.